Imagine enjoying fresh, clean clothes without the stress of bulky appliances taking over your space. The best foldable mini washing machine is designed for modern lifestyles, making everyday laundry feel easier and more convenient. Perfect for busy schedules, small living spaces, and travel needs, this smart solution brings comfort, freedom, and peace of mind while helping you save valuable time every day. Number 1.15 liters Portable Small Washing Dryer Machine Collapsible Washer. 15 liters Portable Small Washing and Dryer Machine Collapsible Washer with spin for apartment travel underwear washing machine. Rated frequency, 50/60 Hz capacity, 15 liters available capacity, 13 liters rated voltage, DC 12 volts, working voltage 110 volts to 240 volts, power, 22 watts. Working mode, wave wheel compact cleaning capability. The upgraded 15 liters portable washing machine is a small washing machine that can clean delicate small items of clothing, making it perfect for underwear, socks, baby clothes, and towels. Its micro design provides a deep cleaning cycle, which can rejuvenate the fabric and make it fresh and hygienic. Extremely convenient foldable washing machine. Our portable washing and drying solution features a foldable automatic design, completely changing laundry days. It has 3 advanced cleaning modes and a user-friendly electronic panel that simplifies the washing process with just one click. Innovative 360 degrees technology ensures the removal of stains, leaving your family healthy and satisfied. Efficient and simple. Our 15 liters bucket folding washing machine is made of durable ABS and food-grade materials, providing a practical solution for your laundry needs. It is designed specifically for safety and comfort, and can effectively clean underwear, socks, and baby clothing. Enjoyed the convenience of high efficiency, no odor, and no need for manual washing. Silent operation, environmentally friendly choice. Our foldable mini washing machine uses a low consumption, noise-reducing motor to ensure quiet operation. The optimized motor design of this environmentally friendly machine can reduce vibration, power consumption, and water usage, ensuring a quiet and sustainable washing experience. Specially designed for adventure and home use, our folding washing machine features a durable and portable design, making it a must-have for families, small apartments, camping, and RV travel. Easy to store and with minimal space requirements, you can enjoy efficient cleaning capabilities no matter where you are. Number 2. Dormitory Household Washing Machine. Small. Busy days often leave little time for handling delicate laundry, especially when caring for baby clothing, personal garments, and everyday essentials. This compact washing solution brings a sense of convenience that fits naturally into modern living. Ideal for dormitory rooms, apartments, student housing, and small households, it helps create a cleaner lifestyle without adding unnecessary stress to daily routines. Fresh fabric can improve comfort, confidence, and peace of mind. Many people look for a practical way to manage laundry while maintaining hygiene for items that deserve extra attention. This washing machine supports that goal by making clothing care feel more manageable and less demanding. Its thoughtful design appeals to individuals who value organization, simplicity, and efficiency. Whether preparing for a busy workday, maintaining a tidy living environment, or caring for family essentials, this appliance helps reduce effort while supporting a neat and comfortable home atmosphere. For those seeking a space-saving laundry companion, this mini washing machine offers a smart choice that aligns with modern needs. It delivers a convenient approach to garment care while helping create a more relaxed and enjoyable daily experience. Number 3. Foldable Mini Washing Machine. Finding a practical laundry solution can make everyday life feel more comfortable and organized. This foldable mini washing machine is designed for people who value cleanliness while living in limited spaces or spending time away from home. It is a suitable choice for students, travelers, professionals, and families seeking a simple way to care for underwear, socks, baby clothing, and other personal garments. Maintaining fresh apparel during travel, business trips, or daily routines often becomes challenging. A compact laundry companion helps reduce that burden, allowing greater confidence wherever life takes you. Clean garments contribute to a pleasant feeling throughout the day, helping you stay focused on important tasks instead of worrying about laundry. Its portable design fits modern lifestyles that prioritize convenience, flexibility, and smart space management. Whether staying in a dormitory, apartment, vacation accommodation, or temporary residence, this washer supports a tidy environment without requiring large dedicated areas. People searching for a compact washing machine, portable laundry solution, travel washer, dormitory washing machine, or baby clothes cleaner will appreciate a product that combines practicality with everyday comfort, making garment care easier and more enjoyable. Number 4. Portable washing machine 20/17.8 pounds capacity. A well-organized home begins with simple daily routines, and reliable laundry care plays an important role in maintaining that balance. This portable washing machine is an excellent option for individuals seeking a practical way to keep garments fresh while managing a busy schedule. Suitable for apartments, family residences, rental properties, student accommodation, and temporary living arrangements, it supports a cleaner and more comfortable lifestyle. Freshly washed clothing can create a positive feeling that lasts throughout the day. Many people appreciate having a dependable laundry solution that helps maintain personal presentation, household cleanliness, and everyday convenience. A dedicated washer can reduce time spent on manual cleaning while making routine tasks feel less demanding. Its modern appeal matches the needs of people who value efficiency, flexibility, and better space management. Whether handling daily apparel, work attire, baby garments, or household fabrics, having access to a convenient washing option brings greater peace of mind. For shoppers searching online for a portable washer, automatic washing machine, compact laundry appliance, home laundry solution, or space-saving washer, this model offers an attractive choice that supports a more comfortable and stress-free living experience. Number 5. Mini Washing Machine 1.5 liters Portable Clothes Washing Machine. Mini Washing Machine 1.5 liters Portable Clothes Washing Machine. Rechargeable Underwear Washing Machine. Mini Portable Clothes Washer. Mini Underwear Washer. The portable washing machine comes with a large 3600 mAh battery. It comes with an LED digital touch screen that lets you see at a glance the remaining power and selected mode. Compact and splash-proof. The body is splash-proof and compact, making it ideal for traveling, business trips and camping. This Rage portable washing machine realizes the free-use experience of doing laundry anywhere and anytime. Note: fill with water to no more than 2/3 of the container's height. Do not fill the container to the brim. High-speed washing. The mini washer has 2 washing modes, 5-minute mode and 15-minute mode, can clean clothes stains quickly. Suitable for washing delicate fabrics. Easy and simple operation. Effortlessly clean your clothes anywhere with user-friendly controls. Simply press the power button and select your desired washing mode to immediately start washing. Rage, simplifying your laundry routine.